Open up a command prompt or terminal and cd or change directory into the folder where you want to create a virtual environment. Now type python-m venv and then the name of your virtual environment. On Linux and Mac, change Python to Python 3. It will take a few seconds for Python to construct our virtual environment folder, but once finished, we must activate this virtual environment whenever we want to work on our project. And this is done differently on Windows and Linux systems. On Windows, cd into your virtual environment folder and then into scripts. Then type activate. You should now see the name of your virtual environment in brackets before the folder address. On Linux and Mac, this activation process is slightly different. Type source, the name of your virtual environment, bin, and then activate. And again, the name of your virtual environment will appear here. We are now within our virtual environment and can check what packages we have installed using pip list. And we can install new packages using pip install package name, for example pip install pygame. And finally, when we want to exit out of our virtual environment, we simply type deactivate. That's it for now. Take care and I'll see you next time.